Imagine that first bite, moist, rich, and packed with deep chocolate flavor. And guess what? You can whip these up in just minutes using your oven. Who's ready for a healthy yet insanely delicious treat? But wait, just because these muffins are gluten-free and low-carb doesn't mean they skimp on flavor. Nope, they're just as indulgent as regular muffins. The magic combo of almond flour, dark chocolate, and a touch of sweetener gives you that deep, intense, chocolatey taste, all while staying soft and fluffy. And they're ridiculously easy to make. So let's do this. First things first, preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and get your muffin cups ready. You'll want some about 5.5 centimeters in diameter. Now place butter, vegetable oil, cocoa powder, dark chocolate, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Then, melt them using the double boiler method. Keep stirring until everything's smooth and combined. Once it's completely melted, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly before using. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 egg and then pour it into the melted chocolate. Next, add your almond flour, gluten-free flour, baking powder, and baking soda. The detailed recipe will be in the description below. Mix until smooth and there are no lumps. Next, add a few drops of stevia or whatever sweetener you're using and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix until combined. Then add the toppings, such as chocolate chips and sliced almonds. Time to fill those muffin cups. Go about 4 full, then add some almond slices and chocolate chips on top for an extra touch of yum.
tekan-tekan ya supaya padat. Oke, sekarang tambah topping.
Pop them into the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then lower the heat to 150 degrees Celsius or about 300 degrees Fahrenheit and keep baking until they're perfectly done. Let them cool for a bit before you dig in. And that's it. Your gluten-free chocolate muffins are ready to be devoured. With their intense chocolate flavor and soft texture, you won't even miss regular muffins. Give this a try and show me your creations in the comments. If you loved it, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye!